This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much iodine for hypothyroid. Iodine is a tiny but mighty mineral, absolutely crucial for your thyroid gland to create the hormones that keep your body running smoothly. These hormones are like your body's internal thermostat, controlling everything from your energy levels to your heart rate. Maintaining the right balance of iodine is key for optimal thyroid health. For most healthy adults, the recommended daily intake of iodine is around 150 micrograms. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, your needs increase significantly, often to 220 or even 290 micrograms daily. You can find iodine in common foods like iodized table salt, various seafood options, and many dairy products. While iodine is essential, more is not always better. Taking too much iodine can actually be harmful, potentially causing or worsening hypothyroidism, or even leading to hyperthyroidism. For adults, the tolerable upper intake level is set at 1,100 micrograms per day. Exceeding this amount consistently can negatively impact your thyroid's delicate balance. It is crucial not to self-prescribe iodine supplements, especially if you have a thyroid condition. If you suspect an iodine deficiency or have hypothyroidism, please consult your healthcare professional. They can accurately assess your specific needs, determine the root cause of any thyroid issues, and provide personalized guidance for safe and effective management of your thyroid health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.